I appreciate just the perspective, Ben, that you provide, and the depth of your wisdom and knowledge and application within this
Like you just took us all the way out there to just come back to like this like place of being authentic, being ourselves, and just continuing to unravel and discover that. And there's really nothing to do other than to be. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah.
And lots of insights, just all kinds of other like awareness and unraveling from that little balancing and big balancing just happening now. So I appreciate being here with you and with all you guys. Thank you.
Because I know that, when I'm oftentimes when I'm teaching, particularly this class, I'm very much in the zone, right? And it's just like, zzz, so it doesn't feel like a heady thing for me. I'm just like,
You're a good transmitter, and like that zone space of what gets to come through you is like, yeah. I'm like, how is he even like holding on? It's like you're just like transmitting, and it's like really amazing. I'm really glad I got to be here with you.
yeah, glad you could join us.